Oh, what is going on, Ada Nation? Welcome to Dapp Central. My name is Fareed. Happy Monday, happy start of the week. In today's video, I want to go ahead and jump into an NFT project that has gotten my attention. Now, this is going to be called or labeled The Working Dead. If you guys are not familiar with this particular project, I'll go ahead and leave the link to all of their socials down below in today's video description. So it states that their mission is to build a learning platform that will empower individuals and communities to learn new skills, share their knowledge within their community, and at the same time, provide a unique monetization model for content creators. So given the fact that I am personally a content creator, this was a huge attraction for myself, given the fact that this is going to mimic already functional and platforms that have already been tested with respect to educating their broader community. So what I like to label this as is some sort of iteration on Skillshare done on Web3. So what you can basically expect with The Working Dead is going to be a learn to earn platform being built for content creators to basically put up their courses on their learn to earn platform. And then for consumers, one single unified platform where they can go ahead and learn at a relatively cheap price, given the fact that they do support some of the content creators on that actual platform. So that is going to be the Working Dead platform in a nutshell. Now, if you guys want to find out more about them, they do have what they call their Livepaper. So this is basically going to be their white paper breaking down all of the information surrounding the actual project itself. If you guys want to find out more about the team, any of their official links, etc., they list all of that here within the Livepaper. Now they have two collections. One of them is going to be The Working Dead, which is available right now on Cardano. And then they just launched, I believe, another collection, which was done on Ethereum. So either way, you can come into this particular community through Cardano or Ethereum, but they're all going to be working together to build the Learn to Earn protocol. Now, they have an alpha version as well of the Worked platform, which is basically going to be the platform that hosts all of the content. And if I blow this up here, we can actually get a preview of what to expect. Now, hold on here just a little bit because I do have a teaser of myself actually signing up into the platform. And then I want to take you directly into the actual platform itself in order to show you guys what it actually looks like. So I'm going to jump back out of here and we are just going to keep things moving along. So if I jump over into this next page here, we have a brief teaser, which I'm going to go ahead and roll. And so this was actually me signing up to get access to the platform about 2 weeks ago. And so you could either connect using a MetaMask wallet. Again, they have that Ethereum based collection, or you can use any of your Cardano wallets. Right now I'm using my Nami wallet. And immediately after connecting my wallet, it was able to confirm that I do hold the Working Dead NFT. I can then actually pick my username, which of course I picked Dapp Central. I then plugged in my email. And then on the following screen, you have the ability to basically edit or customize your teacher or your user profile. So I went ahead and added my logo in my background there. And then on the next page, we have some descriptors surrounding our own personal interests and how we plan on using the platform. And then we have a brief bio where we can put in a description of what it is exactly that we do for the Cardano or Ethereum community. Now, once I do that, I can then pick whether or not I want to come in here with a personal account or as an instructor. And of course, I select the instructor. And then I go ahead and actually sign the transaction using my wallet. So again, really interesting platform. They are very, very close to actually launching. I believe they should be live on the main net within the completion of the first week of September, which is right around the corner. Now, once you actually sign in there, as you guys can see, I can check out a little bit of information surrounding other teachers. And then here we have the ability to actually add a lesson. So this is what you can expect if you're creating a lesson. And then I'll show you guys what it actually looks like if you're trying to purchase a lesson as an end user. So you have the ability to basically come in here and toggle different things. You can edit different sections of the actual course itself. You can add quizzes, images, videos, etc. A lot of really, really cool information here surrounding how the platform is going to work. So that's going to wrap it up there for that brief review. Now, if I jump into the actual platform itself, as you guys can see, I am actually signed in using my personal account. I currently have 14 followers, and we can see that I don't actually have any courses out just yet. Now, I will be aiming to hopefully get a test course out soon, but you could potentially expect courses surrounding all the dApps building on Cardano on the Worked platform from myself in the near future. Now, taking a look at some of the additional instructors, we have DGK Acid, Walter, and Melon, Wild Tangs, Son of a Bitcoin, It's Danny, Escobar, and the list goes on and on and on. Now, we also have a pretty cool example here, if I actually go ahead and get myself out of the way, of a example course. So if I select a course, I can then see that I have to basically provide 5,000 of the work tokens in order to unlock the course. So this piece here is going to basically be surrounding the fact that you do need the work token, which is going to be the native governance token for the platform in order to unlock courses. Now I'm going to talk about how you can actually earn the work token if you hold the Working Dead NFT series either on Ethereum or Cardano in just a moment. So at the top right hand corner here, we have the level of the course, we have the lesson, we have the time that it would actually take to complete, as well as the actual price associated with it. Now, once you actually unlock the course and you take it, I believe that you do also get a kickback, and then you're also able to actually rate the course at the very end as to whether or not you found it to be helpful. Again, if I jump into this other tab here, we have the instructors, so we can actually see all the current instructors right now on the platform. And it's again growing every day, and we should hopefully get to see this live on the mainnet very soon. Jumping into the next tab, we have some of the NFTs that I'm currently actually staking. And this is what I was going to mention earlier, was that if you are a holder of the Working Dead NFTs, you can actually go ahead and actually stake your NFTs in order to earn the work token. So as you guys can see there, I have quite a few different staking positions open with over, I believe, 10,000 of the work tokens already accumulated, given the fact that I've been staking for around almost 3 months. So this does add up and actually kind of pays back for itself. If I were to basically stake for a long enough time period, I could actually use my staking rewards to pay off some of the NFTs, or at least recuperate some of my earlier investment into the actual NFT collection. Now, last but not least, if you guys are interested in finding out more about the actual Working Dead protocol or the platform, or if you just want to pick up their NFTs, you can head over to jpeg.store. I'll go ahead and leave the link to their official collection down below. Right now, the floor price is trading at around 104 ADA. There's a total of 6,666 of the NFTs, with 6.71% currently listed, with over 1.2 million ADA generated in terms of trading volume. Now, as you guys can see here, the art is pretty unique. I definitely do appreciate it. It is a little bit on the dark side, but it is unique and it is stylish nonetheless. So that aside, if you guys again want to check this out, I do think that they are bringing a huge value proposition. If you take a look at the likes of platforms like Kajabi, or you take a look at Skillshare, they have a very similar model where they basically provide you with the infrastructure and the layout to create your own courses. And then you're able to monetize that, right, as a creator, or you're able to actually utilize that platform to get valuable information from creators that you trust and know, utilizing their platform as the middle ground. So that will bring me here to the end for today's video, touching on the Working Dead platform. Again, I'm excited to see and be onboarded as an instructor already. I'm definitely going to be using the platform to launch more crypto content there. And I hope you guys are open to actually utilizing a similar platform. Now, that said, again, if you guys do want to get early access, definitely make sure to pick up one of their NFTs. Make sure to also go ahead and stake that to earn some passive work tokens. But I believe that will bring me to the end here for today's video, touching on the Working Dead. If you guys have any questions surrounding what they're building with respect to their Learn to Earn platform, or whether you have questions surrounding their Cardano or Ethereum collection, let me know down below in the comment section. And as always, if you guys found this particular video to be helpful, or if you learned anything across the way, I would appreciate you if you could tap that like button. If it's your first time stopping by the channel and you want more content like this, consider subscribing. And if you have any questions for me surrounding anything we've touched on as it pertains to Cardano or the Working Dead, then make sure to go ahead and leave a comment down below. That said, and as always, I will see you guys in the next video.